Hey guys, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be running the 3S Typhon over at the Altona BMX track, which is normally where I do my torture testing. And I guess this one did get torture tested, but unfortunately it did break something. It broke a steel turnbuckle on the rear here. Now this landed very badly. In order to break that steel turnbuckle, I'm currently waiting for parts to arrive, and then I'll get this thing fixed up. It's also running a 20-tooth pinion gear. And of course I was running it on 3S on the day. Now the reason why I'm doing this intro is because you're going to see a lot of kids kind of around, and you know, I don't know these kids. These are not my kids or family members or friends or anything. These are just random kids that were there. And on that day I ran the infraction, I ran the Crazy Chaos Reaper, my 4S crate, which you would have probably seen some of that video already. And of course I ran this guy. And by the time I was running this car, they all got pretty comfortable and they were all sort of gravitating around me. There was even a dad there with one of his kids, and he was asking me some questions about my driving of this car and so forth. So you'll hear that in the background. And I just wanted to come on here and kind of give you guys a bit of an update, because you'll see that all those kids are around me. There are, you know, some adults at the top of the main jump, and they're all just chilling, just kicking back up there because they take their kids to these parks, and all of a sudden there's somebody there with an RC car and all the kids are kind of hovering around. So I'm kind of like kindergarten. I'm minding all of these little kids while the parents are just up the top of the hill just chilling. So I don't mind doing it. You know, if kids come towards me and they just want to ask questions and they just, you know, they're behaving themselves, I got no issues. To me, seeing them or hearing them, you know, go, "Wow, look at that! You know, can you do this?" I think that's really cool, because, you know, that's kind of inspiring the next generation of hobbyists to kind of continue on this hobby. And who knows, maybe at Christmas time they'll be asking Santa for, you know, an RC car or something like that, and you know, rather than another video game. So I think that's kind of cool to sort of have all these kids around and to see some really cool stuff, the stunts that these cars can do. Yeah. Anyway, just wanted to sort of come on here and do a bit of an intro on this video, just to kind of put it all into context, because I think if I just show the video as it was, a lot of people are going to be like, "Oh, why did he have all these family members or cousins or whatever hanging around?" I don't know these people. They just happened to be there and they all sort of came towards me. But they were friendly, they were nice, and yeah, I think it made for some pretty good video. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the running video, and yeah, look out for when this thing crashes, because it's pretty gnarly. Anyway, thanks guys. Speak to you next time. It's very quick. All right, stand behind me, guys. Stand behind me. That's it. All right, we're going to do a big jump now, okay?
Now try the higher one.
Now, hang on. Come behind me. Stand behind me. Okay. Here we go. Big one.
This one doesn't have a spring. When I always say spring, I always think of the season.
Pretty cool, huh? Lucky recovery, lucky recovery. All right, let's go bigger. Let's see if we can do a big jump here. This one's pretty tough. All right, let's go a little bit bigger. That did the double, didn't it?
It has to go with full speed, and then it can do the high jump.
Nearly landed in the drain. Oh, I think my battery's come disconnected. Alright, just switched off. No biggie. Let's go one more. Oh, it's only a little. It's only a little. Couldn't line it up. We'll do another big one. Oops.
Missed it.
Having a bit of trouble lining it up. Okay, here we go. Ah, it switched off again. Alright. I hope not. Whew, almost in the water.
A tiny bit in the water. Yeah, it's tiny. Ready, set, go! Oh, that missed.
Ah, it switched off again. Let's see if we can go one more time.
Three, two, one, get set, go! Oh, yeah,
Smooth as butter.
But how do you get it to flick back when it's in the air? It looks like it's gonna
Brakes.
roll it. Oh, really?
So if I keep the throttle pinned, it will eventually like do a backflip.
Oh.
Can you do that? I'm gonna go now. Oh,
There you go.
oh my god, that almost went in the water.
It's all a little bit of throttle control.
It turned up. Oh.
That was nice.
I'm gonna get one of those for my birthday, but smaller.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm gonna go up on there.
Oh, he just missed.
Just missed the water.
Alright, let's go one more time.
Now do one of these, and it has to fly over our heads.
No.
Probably fly over us.
Oh! And it switched off.
Part has to go in there.
Yeah, just broke the link right there.
Fix it
So-
at home or something.
Yeah, that's alright. Quick fix, it took a big hit. Lasted a long time. Yeah,
Oh.
not too bad.